Hello, I'm Rouge the Bat. We will learn aviation systems. Aviation is the activities surrounding mechanical flight and the aircraft industry. Aircraft includes fixed-wing and rotary-wing types, morphable wings, wingless lifting bodies, as well as lighter-than aircraft such as hot air balloons and airships. Aviation began in the 18th century with the development of the hot air balloon, an apparatus capable of atmospheric displacement through buoyancy. A hot air balloon differs with paragliding and hang gliding. The hot is surrounded inside the balloon, its density is quite less, this causes the balloon to lift up. In early 1900s, the first powered airplane was constructed by the Wright brothers. The wings can help you lift up. After World War II, there were many operations of aircraft, including civil and military aviation. Military aviation we have seen like fighter jets and Air Force, they travel very fast. Sometimes it releases smoke as seen in the air show. In 1990s and above, they invented civil transport or commercial airline. Its manufacturers are Airbus, Boeing, Bombardier, Embraer, and United Aircraft Corporation. They use it at a low cost for traveling. This is the schematic diagram view of an airplane. They include the cockpit view at the front, seats in the middle, and back containing goods and luggages. Inside an aircraft, to the front, the flight instrument panel, or plane dashboard, which provides the pilot with information to safely fly their plane. This determines a speed, position, and altitude. If the flight becomes out of control, its systems can malfunction, or causing a mechanical failure. This causes an airplane crash in any unwanted or deserted areas, leading to kill and injure passengers. One more thing, indicating a fuel of an aircraft. It determines how much aviation fuel consumed from potential level. If the aviation fuel is dangerously low while flying, they can refuel it with another aircraft. Or at some airports, underground fuel pipes can be allowed for refueling. This can be based on either an unleaded kerosene, or naphtha kerosene blends. So, we now have briefly discussed about aviation systems. Like, comment, and subscribe now.